Hello, here is Baby Walker, welcome to my channel again. I hope you are doing well, and today a new video from the series Anna in the Garden, in which I will show you with Anna how to plant a tree in your garden. This is a maple tree grafted on a stump. However, this knowledge could be applied to any kind of tree that you can buy in a garden shop and you want to, plant in your garden directly by you without any external specialist help. This footage has been done 3 months after planting the tree, so as you can see, everything is okay with them, so you can, easily apply this knowledge to your garden and start planting your own trees. So stop talking, let's get started. First step is of course, to plant a tree, you need to buy a tree seedlings. You can buy a tree seedlings in a shop, in a garden shop, whatever. And these seedlings were grafted, which means they are very tall. It's over 3 meters high. They are very big, so when they were transported to me, even my Pajero wasn't able to transport it. I need to, mount it into this garden stuff because I was afraid that they will collapse and broke down. Okay, so the step number 2, dig holes in the ground. If you are planting more than one tree, it is important to have this line parallel to your fence or any other object. So make sure when you are digging your holes to have a right, distances between them. I'm using the standard meter to, make sure that the diameter of the hole is, of course, the diameter of the hole should be much bigger than the diameter of the tree seedlings itself. You need to give more space all around because there you will add some soil and water. And after that, if your soil is pure quality, just add some, special soil from the garden shop. And as you can see here, this darker soil is not the standard sand that I have in my garden. It's much better quality. Then, of course, you needed a lot of water because the tree is conducting with the ground using water, so you need to make sure that everything is very moistured, a lot of water. Don't hesitate to use a lot of water as you need. If the sandy ground, there is no problem because even if you add too much water, it will go down deeper to the ground, so no worry about it. This is our lizard, our new neighbor on the garden. So as you can see, after adding the soil from shop, this special, I'm adding more water, to make this easy to adapt into the ground. Okay. Step number 3. If you have prepared your holes and dig all the holes, add some soil at the end, put the seedlings into the ground. So usually when you buy seedlings in a shop, it comes with such a pot. You need to transport them. The very good way to transport is to holding by the stump, not the pot itself, and then you just put it into the ground. And here is this crucial moment when you need to pay attention that everything will be in vertical from both sides, from both angles. So put something, hold, make measures, go a few steps away, take a look, it's okay for you. If not, just lift and put down and make some adjustments just to be happy with the results. Okay, step number 4. When you initially set up the tree, just add more soil. If you don't have this good quality soil, just find someone with good soil and it will lend you only a few gallons of it. So the surrounding of the tree at the beginning, it is good to have with this better quality soil. If you don't have it too much, just you can mix your soil with this good one, and then add a lot of water, and with your legs you can put this everything roughly to the ground. With your foot, this is the best way because we have this, ensure that the tree will be tough in the ground and won't collapse with the wind or something. And the last step is to wait and enjoy and don't forget to feed the cat, whatever. As you can see from this footage at the beginning of the video, it was 3 months after we have done this, and everything is okay. At the beginning, of course, don't forget to, use the water to grow your plants properly. And this is actually everything that you have to know about it. If you have any questions or about this one topic, just give me a comment and I will answer you. I decided to use this reinforcement, wooden stick with this plastic band to make sure that the tree will hold the windy day until, it properly take a root into the ground. This process usually takes a few weeks, even a year or two. So at this early stage of planting the tree, be aware of this very tall grafted tree could collapse because of the high wind. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and of course, if you have any questions, as always, give me a comment and I will answer you. Have a nice day, see you later. It was BB Walker, Anna in the Garden series. Good luck.
Thank you for reaching 4,000 subscribers. Thank you for reaching. Thank you very much. If you like this channel, you can give us thumbs up. If you like it more, you can subscribe.
Thank you and see you later. It was BB Walker.